Today we're making one of the greatest pastas ever invented, Cacio e Pepe. It's 3 ingredients, less than 10 minutes. This is meant to be a quick cooked snack that you could make at work if you put the ingredients in your pocket. I grew up Italian. I've seen Italians do this. They could put this in their pocket, a little black pepper in their pocket, some pasta. All right, normally this works. I don't want to break the pasta. One thing you shouldn't do is break the pasta, guys. Do not break pasta. Whatever you do, never break the pasta. Okay, boiling pasta water. Spaghetti goes inside, now we make the sauce. Pecorino Romano is salty, definitely has a flavor that sheep's milk would bring. This cheese makes this pasta what it is. Cacio refers to Pecorino Romano only. Black pepper, Pepe, black peppercorn, not black pepper that you've had with you since your spice cabinet at college. If you're still traveling with that spice cabinet, it's time to replace those spices, guys. Goes in a mortar and pestle. We're gonna just grind the pepper a little bit. You want large pieces of pepper. Just look at what's happening. You're starting to see tiny particles of black pepper skin, which is the outside part, and you're starting to see white pepper, which is the inside part, emerge. And when these two parts break and combine, they form a whole new oil and scent that's now filling the air. It's really, really delicious and fragrant. Some people say you have to toast this. You can toast it if you want. I mean, we're literally talking about that. That would be the toasting step. What really is required is what I just did in this mortar and pestle, which is to create that mix of gases that makes this room so fragrant. You guys smell this, right? Smells incredible. All right, I like to do this in a bowl. You can do it in a pan, you can do it in a bowl. So I have the microplane. I love the microplane. It's one of the greatest things ever invented, but not the right grate for this dish. You want it to be grated like dust. It does affect how the flavors are released and how the sauce comes together. You can see, all right, look at this. Look at the texture of this cheese. You can almost see how this will dissolve in the hot water. All right, let's check the pasta now. It should be almost cooked. Perfect. Let's make the cremina. Cremina is cheese and water. Let's take a little water out of the pasta. We're gonna add it to the cheese. This is the base of our sauce. We're gonna mix it together. We're gonna add cooked pasta to it. The pasta water tastes like pasta. It's already seasoned with salt, which is great. The starch, of course, is gonna help thicken things. If I see one more person put pasta water in an ice cube tray, I'm gonna lose it. Okay, guys? That is not what Italian grandmas mean when they say use a little pasta water. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. So normally I would do this in a bowl, but because I'm noticing that there's a little extra water here, I'm gonna go back into the pan, and we're gonna toss, toss, toss. All right, a little more cheese. So this is called a marriage, when the cheese and the pasta are blended. Okay, so we cooked, I think, a pound of pasta, definitely enough for 4 people. Man, those Italians know what they're doing. My mom used to give away hunks of Parmigiano Reggiano to kids on the school bus.
Really?
That's a real true story. It was so embarrassing. So embarrassing.